Do you know many people are having trouble with cooking plain chicken wings using the Kalorik MAXX AFO 46045 SS deep fryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Arrange chicken wings. First, lay out your chicken wings on the appropriate rack, tray, or basket within your Kalorik MAXX deep fryer. Step 2. Switch on fryer. Press the power button on your deep fryer to switch it on. Step 3. Select fryer function. On the control panel, select the air fryer function. Step 4. Set wings preset. Scroll through the presets using the selector dial and stop at the wings preset. Step 5. Adjust fryer settings. Adjust the temperature or cooking time by pressing the selector dial. Turn the dial to set your preference. Step 6. Start cooking process. Press the start/stop button to begin cooking. Remember to turn the wings halfway through. By following these steps, you'll be able to prepare delicious plain chicken wings in your Kalorik MAXX AFO 46045 SS deep fryer. Enjoy your meal. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Kalorik users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.